have gone, have been, went. What's the difference? Let's understand. Iyo umuntu avuze ngo they have gone to the market, this means that they are still at the market. Baracyari ku isoko. Ni ukuvuga ngo bagiye ku isoko. They have gone to the market. Bagiye ku isoko. She has gone to the party. She's still there. She's still in the party. Aracyari mu kirori. She has gone to the party. Yagiye mu kirori. Have been. Iyo umuntu avuze ngo they have been to the market, means that bagiye gusaba bagarutse. Ni ukuvuga ngo they have been to the market. Bari bari ku isoko. They have been to the market. Bari ku isoko. She has been to the party. Yarari mu kirori. Yagiye mu kirori gusa ubu yagarutse. She has been to the party. Yarari mu kirori. Went, this is completed action. Tuyikoresha tuvuga igikorwa cyarangiye. Urugero, they went to the market. Bagiye ku isoko. She went to the party. Yagiye mu kirori. So this was for today. Thank you for watching.